Enforcement Action and Sanctions, Rule 104. Rule 104 permits the court to order sanctions upon noncompliance with discovery requests. Noncompliance includes failure to answer discovery, failure of a corporate party to assign a proper party to answer, or providing incomplete or evasive answers. The court may also require sanctions for failure to appear at scheduled depositions. For purposes of this section, an evasive or incomplete answer or response is treated as a failure to answer or respond. The normal procedure for sanctions requires two steps. First, a party files a motion with the court to order compliance. If the offending party still refuses to cooperate, the moving party then requests the court order sanctions. Sanctions can also be used as punishment for other infractions that occur during hearings or at trial. The tax court commonly responds to willful failures by dismissing the action or by entering a default judgment. The court may also award reasonable costs, unless the court finds the failure was substantially justified or that other circumstances make such an award unjust. Failure to provide electronically stored information will not be sanctioned as long as the information was lost as a result of the routine, good faith operation of an electronic information system. At its discretion, the court may order. A disobedient party is prevented from testifying. Matters are deemed admitted. Part or all pleadings struck. Proceedings stayed until an order is obeyed. Dismissal of part or all of a case. Judgment rendered against the disobedient party. A disobedient party held in contempt. Monetary sanctions imposed, or any other action it deems appropriate. Additionally, a tax court judge can impose monetary sanctions for a taxpayer's egregious conduct of up to $25,000 under Section 6673. See below for more details. An attorney, either one employed by the IRS or one retained to represent a taxpayer, can be ordered to compensate the other side for excess costs resulting from the offending conduct. Examples of various procedures can be found in Reedy, TC Memo 2008-100, April 15, 08. Petitioners received proceeds from liquidation of their corporation and sent money to an offshore trust tax avoidance scheme known as Anderson Arc. They failed to timely file their 2000 and subsequent year returns, and when filed, the 2000 return did not include the liquidation proceeds. The case provides examples of various procedural matters including the respondent's affirmative allegation of an addition to tax, page 2. The petitioner's response, page 3-4, and a request for admissions, page 4-5. And motion to compel, page 5-6. The petitioner's counsel makes a motion to withdraw, page 6. Respondent moves to change the venue, page 7-8, and for a continuance. Respondent requests sanctions for failure to comply with a court order, page 8-9. In Sterling Trading Opportunities, LLC TC Memo 2007-339, November 14, 07, the IRS moved to compel production of documents that petitioner argued were prepared in anticipation of litigation and therefore entitled to work product protection. Work product may be subject to discovery if the information is essential to the opponent's case and is otherwise unavailable. The IRS attempted to obtain that information by interviewing witnesses who attended the meeting that was subject to the memo IRS now seeks. But the witnesses do not recall the meetings or could not provide details. There were no opinion work product pieces in that memo, which includes mental impressions, conclusions, opinions or legal theories of an attorney or other representative. The court examined the items in camera before making its determination. In 3 Kelvin's Investment Partners et al., 133 TC6, the 3rd of September 09, petitioner moved to compel respondent to produce redacted copies of all tax opinions collected by respondent related to the son of boss transactions. The court ruled that because the materials petition sought are not relevant and do not appear reasonably calculated to lead to discovery of admissible evidence. Along with other reasons, the motion to compel production was denied. Not everything is discoverable in tax court, and relevancy is a key concern.